Bermuda BermudAir Aisle Class Suite.
It's a simple thank you to all the judges at Crystal Cabin. What a huge job you had to do. And a second thank you, of course, to BermudAir, who were a brilliant client because these are all about collaboration. So thank you very much.
A huge honour to actually win, and we're thrilled. It is a simple product for a small airline, but the impact of the idea behind it to not just reuse but repurpose in aviation is a very significant one for all of the sustainable issues that we face today. Seat is made, they're all ready to go on the aircraft. We're just waiting for the maintenance schedule to get them on, and then we can all fly them together.